Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for the latest tech news and insights. Today, we're exploring the exciting new details about the Google Pixel 9a, which is set to launch in March and directly compete with the fourth-generation Apple iPhone SE. And according to a very reliable source, this mid-range smartphone may launch at a lower price than initially expected, transforming the competitive landscape by offering premium features at a remarkably affordable cost. Owing to extensive leaks in recent weeks, almost all the information about the Pixel 9a is now in the public domain, ranging from its anticipated March 19th launch date to its pricing in euros, with early rumors suggesting that the model with 128 gigabytes of storage would be priced at 549 euros and the 256 gigabytes version at 649 euros. But new insights from Roland Quan at WinFuture reveal that the base model might actually carry a price tag of just 499 euros, while the higher storage version could be available for 599 euros, a 50 euro drop that may vary by EU country, as the initial leak referred specifically to France, and although it remains unclear if any additional launch bonuses, such as trial subscriptions for Google services or cloud storage offers, will accompany the release, the current details are already impressive. The Pixel 9a is expected to come in 4 striking color options: obsidian black, porcelain white, peony pink, and iris purple, ensuring there's a style to suit every taste, and it will run on the latest Android 15, just like the higher-end Pixel 9, while boasting a commitment to longevity with an unprecedented 7 years of OS updates, which is a major selling point for users who value a future-proof device. Under the hood, the Pixel 9a is rumored to be powered by the Google Tensor G4 ARM chip, delivering powerful performance and efficient multitasking, while its 6.3-inch OLED display promises an immersive visual experience, featuring a resolution of 1080p+ and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate that can adapt to your needs, along with a peak HDR brightness of 2,700 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in bright conditions. Other notable features include a water-resistant casing that enhances durability, 8 gigabytes of RAM for seamless performance, and an integrated in-display fingerprint sensor for added security, all powered by a robust 5,100 mAh battery that supports wireless charging, so you can enjoy extended usage without worrying about running out of power. In terms of photography, the Pixel 9a is set to impress with a versatile camera system that includes a 13MP selfie camera for clear and vibrant self-portraits, a 48MP main camera featuring a half-inch sensor that captures rich, detailed images, and a 13MP ultra-wide-angle camera that expands your creative possibilities, making it an ideal choice for photography enthusiasts on a budget. With all these advanced specifications and features, the Google Pixel 9a is poised to redefine what users can expect from a mid-range smartphone, offering incredible value, long-term software support, and a suite of premium features that make it a strong contender in its segment. Thank you for tuning into this detailed review and breakdown of the Google Pixel 9a. For more cutting-edge tech updates and in-depth reviews, be sure to subscribe to TechVerse. This is TechVerse, signing off.